The winter camp was really fun. I was really excited for quite a while to come here. We've done a lot of activities. We went to the glacier and it was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, honestly. We went ice climbing and we visited an ice cave and it was really fun.
I really like the camp because of all the activities I can do, like sledging and ice skating. This is my first time actually doing them and they're really fun.
It teaches you lots of skills, lots of teamwork. There's always something that you can find in common with someone to make it work in the best way possible and the most enjoyable way. There's also a lot of new people that you get to meet and really connect with. You really become friends with everyone in a camp. You find a lot of people from different places and they all speak different languages. And these friendships, they might last a lifetime.
That just grows a connection, a bond, you could say. And I feel like I have a family here, like a home away from home, you could say.
Mutual respect between each other and this feeling of safety that is created in the camp. It really allows you to just explore new things without feeling fear. It teaches you about leadership and what that really means. And in all these activities that you do, it involves learning something in one way or another. It's really thrilling to be doing all these new things. I'm really glad we'll get to learn all these useful skills.